In this lecture, we are going to see one of the most important search engine ranking factor, that is site speed or page speed. Instead of comparing the previous year search result with this year, which is done in all other lectures, let's have a comparison between desktop site speed and mobile site speed. You can see clearly that mobile site speed is comparatively faster than desktop site speed. This is because of two reasons. The first one is that the mobile optimized themes or the mobile exclusive theme is comparatively lesser in file size compared to desktop pages. The second reason is that some websites serve two different versions, one for desktop and one for mobile, where the mobile one is a minimalistic, simple, clean, and fast. Moreover, Google serves AMP version of web pages to mobiles with slower internet connection. In 2016 research data, the site speed is taken as complete time frame right up until a page's visible area had completely finished loading in the browser. Average site speed of top 10 or top 20 stands at 7.8 seconds for desktop and 7 seconds for mobile. Loading times for top ranked mobile URLs are around a second quicker than the desktop equivalents. In research data point of view and as a direct ranking factor, site speed may not seem important as the correlation factor has come down to 0 this year. But page speed is very important in user experience point of view. If your website takes 4 seconds to load, you have already lost 25% of users. 47% of consumers expect a web page to load in 2 seconds or less. 40% abandon a website that takes more than 3 seconds to load. A 1 second delay decreases customer satisfaction by 16%. Above all, Google provides its own official tool to test your website's page speed. That's why you need to optimize your website to load between 1 to 2 seconds. In the next lecture, let's wrap up what we have seen in this section.